Meaning of deforestation.
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 Deforestation. Deforestation refers to the large-scale removal of trees from forests, resulting in the loss of biodiversity, disruption of ecosystems, and reduction of the Earth's natural carbon sinks. Deforestation is often driven by human activities such as agriculture, logging, and urban expansion. The results of deforestation include soil erosion, increased greenhouse gas emissions, loss of habitat for wildlife, and reduced availability of natural resources for human use. This can lead to negative impacts on both the environment and society, including climate change, food and water insecurity, and social conflict.